Hi guys, one more video, I promise. So this is how we can schedule meetings. And if you ever hear somebody say my calendar is up to date, which I heard in the first time, I was like, what does that mean? So that means that you can look at their calendar and schedule an appointment. So you can look at my calendar and schedule an appointment with me, and here's how you do it. So you go into your NLU email, and yours is a little different than mine. On the bottom left in the middle there's a little calendar. You'll see a little calendar. I don't know if I have it. Like I said, mine's a little different, but you'll see the calendar. It looks like that. So if you open up the calendar and you can see my schedule, let's say you wanted to meet with me on the 20th. That looks like a good day. So you type in the name of the person. So let's just say I wanted to meet with Lisa Downey. Give it a title, one at TPA, and then select the location. You put in the Zoom link. So for me, I have it here. It's always the same Zoom link with me and you guys. So I'm just going to copy and paste it and then show you. There we go. So add the location, paste, and then mine says scheduling assistant, but yours has this little calendar with a clock next to it. If you click that, you can see my schedule and Lisa's schedule. So you'll see your schedule and my schedule, and then you just simply pick a time out of these that are convenient for the both of us. And mine's not clicking right now for some reason, but you get the idea. So and then all you do is click send, and it is up to date. So that's it, guys. That's how easy way to schedule meetings. Thanks.